Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about the types of lipsticks. With so many lipsticks with so many colors, which lipstick do you choose? Stay tuned to the video to find out which lipstick works for you and the best way to apply it. Satin lipsticks give just a touch of color. They usually go on smooth and give hydration and moisture to the lips. Because they tend to have oils, satin lipsticks do not last all day and will need to be reapplied when wearing throughout the day or evening. Cream lipsticks, although they have some moisture, tend to need more preparation to apply on your lips than satin lipsticks. Cream lipsticks are definitely more pigmented color and will stay on a little bit longer than satin lipsticks. A matte lipstick is definitely a more modern lipstick. It's not going to give you a gloss or a shine, and it definitely lacks the moisture, but due to its lightweight and staying power, it's definitely one of the best types of lipsticks to wear. If you need to reapply a matte lipstick, it is suggested to take off the lipstick completely and redo or reapply the matte lipstick to your lips. Lip gloss lipsticks are lipsticks that are going to give you, of course, a lot of shine, and adding shine to your lips is going to make your lips look fuller and bigger. However, due to the gloss, don't expect the lipstick to really last all day. It would definitely need to be reapplied. You can wear a gloss lipstick either by itself or on top of another lipstick to give that particular lipstick a little shine. A tinted lip balm is basically a chapstick or lip balm with color. So it's going to give your lips moisture and keep them from drying while still give you a lip color. A tinted lip balm is a great alternative for when you don't want to wear a full lipstick, but you still want a touch of color on your lips. A shimmer or glitter lipstick just gives a shimmery, glittery finish when applied to the lips. It makes the lips look a little shiny. It can be worn alone or on top of a cream or satin lipstick. Metallic lipsticks. They are definitely fun and vibrant lipsticks that give your look a little something extra. Metallic lipsticks most of the time look very chrome-like, or they look like they have specks of metallic running through them, and they have a very slight shimmer, but most of the time you would see sort of like a shine or a sheen to them that's definitely different from a shimmer lipstick. If you find your lipstick looking like this, it's uneven, it's smudgy or feathery, then you're probably not applying the lipstick correctly. If your lipstick is not looking right, then follow these steps to correctly apply your lipstick for a more even finish. So the first thing you need to do is exfoliate your lips, and I'm using the Mary Kay exfoliator. You can use whatever type of lip exfoliator that you have. After that, I'm going to take some Lipsticks lip balm, and you can use whatever lip balm or chapstick that you have, and I'm just going to moisturize my lips just a little bit. Next, you're going to outline your lips using a lip liner. You can either use a lip liner that is the color of the lipstick that you're using, or you can use a nude lip liner or a clear lip liner. And the purpose of outlining the lips is to really give you some direction as far as where you need to place that lipstick, because sometimes when you apply lipstick without a lip liner, you get outside of your lips a little bit. So the lip liner just actually gives you a boundary to know, okay, not to cross that line, and It's just makes your lips a lot crisper as well, because of course you have seen the way a lipstick is angled, so it's very difficult to get on the edges of your lips. So that's what the lip liner is for. And now I'm just going to go in with the Black Radiance lip sculptor and go ahead and apply the lipstick, and I'm just filling in my lips, making sure to of course not go outside of that lip liner line. And when you do that, you will see that it's going to of course give me a much more even application. It's not going to look feathery, it's not going to look smudgy, and that is definitely the look that you are trying to go for when you are applying lipstick. And this is how it looks once I have applied the lipstick and the lip liner. You can see that this lipstick is definitely a lot more even. It's filled in. It's not splotchy like I showed you earlier without prepping your lips, without adding the lip liner. So when you use a color like this, especially a darker color or cream lipsticks, or these types of lipsticks are a little difficult to apply, if you take those steps, it will definitely come out a lot better, and it will look a lot better, and it will last definitely a lot longer. Hopefully you have learned a little something about the types of lipsticks and what lipsticks that you like, because yeah, there are a variety of different lipsticks out there for you to use for any type of makeup look. I am Michele Mazelleغ. Thank you all for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.